L'Hopital's rule uses derivatives to help evaluate limits involving indeterminate forms. An indeterminate form is obtained after replacing x with its limits. If the expression obtained after the substitution does not give enough information to determine the original limit, it is an indeterminate form. According to Wikipedia, the rule is named after the 17th century French mathematician Guillaume L'Hopital, who published the rule in his book Analyse des infiniment petits pour l'intelligence de lignes courbes. However, under some disputes, it is believed that the rule was discovered by the Swiss mathematician Johann Bernoulli, but this is just a fun fact. The way of knowing whether or not to use L'Hopital's rule is if you have tried and cannot find the limit. Imagine a dinosaur attacking Seattle and you have used everything you have to stop it. Once you have exhausted your options, use L'Hopital's rule as a plan B. With L'Hopital's rule, the expression must be a quotient. To use L'Hopital's rule, take the derivative of the numerator and take the derivative of the denominator. Be careful. Do not use the quotient rule. If used via the quotient rule, you are not using L'Hopital's rule. Sounds pretty easy, right? Wrong. Dead wrong. Remember, L'Hopital's rule only works if the expression is a quotient. If it is not a quotient, turn it into one. Convert it into a quotient. When converted into a quotient, proceed to use L'Hopital's rule. Remember, do not use the quotient rule. Now that you've had an idea of what L'Hopital's rule is all about, we should warn you that it only gets more complicated from here. There are many indeterminate forms that may occur after substituting x with its limits, but it is still solved in the same way. So when you get stuck finding limits, whether it is business or fighting dinosaurs, you know what to do. Remember, Plan B.